Building AI workflows? LangChain or N8n2, completely different tools that everyone keeps comparing. Here's what you actually need to know before choosing. Hit subscribe, this gets technical fast. LangChain is a Python framework for developers building AI agents with LLMs. Think coding, not clicking. N8n is a visual workflow builder that automates tasks across 500 plus apps, some with AI, most without. Totally different purposes. Who they're built for. LangChain requires coding skills. You're writing Python to build RAG systems, autonomous agents, and custom AI logic. N8n? Drag and drop interface. Technical teams use it, but you don't need to be a developer. What they actually do. LangChain excels at AI-specific tasks, retrieval-augmented generation, memory management, agent orchestration, and prompt engineering. You get precise control over how your LLM behaves. N8n connects business tools, Gmail, Slack, databases, CRMs. Yes, it has LangChain nodes for AI tasks, but its strength is automating workflows across your entire tech stack. Real-world usage. Want to build a custom AI assistant that queries your vector database and makes decisions? LangChain. Need to automatically sync leads from forms to your CRM, send Slack notifications, and trigger AI summaries? N8n handles that entire workflow visually. The pricing reality. LangChain framework is free and open source. Your costs come from LLM API calls, OpenAI, Anthropic, plus Langsmith monitoring starts at 5,000 free traces monthly. N8n's Community Edition is free, self-hosted with unlimited executions. Cloud plans start at $20 monthly for 2,500 workflow executions. But here's the catch. One complete workflow run equals one execution, regardless of steps. Integration and learning curve. LangChain integrates with vector databases, embeddings, and AI-specific tools. Steep learning curve, you're architecting AI systems from scratch. N8n offers 500 plus pre-built integrations and templates, faster to deploy but less AI customization depth. Bottom line, these aren't competitors. LangChain for serious AI development if you're coding agents, RAG systems, or need deep LLM control. N8n for workflow automation, connecting apps, automating business processes with optional AI nodes. Many teams actually use both. N8n triggers workflows, LangChain handles the AI-heavy processing. Links to both platforms in the description. Drop a comment with your automation stack. Like if this saved you, research time. Peace.